Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little journal to share with you guys. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? Look at that. Okay, so I am guest designing for Beatriz of Iralamija Shop. She's here on YouTube as well as Instagram, and she has her Etsy shop where she sells all her digital designs, which I absolutely love. I have quite a few of hers, and mainly I think some Halloween and Christmas ones, and I've slowly been picking up her like vintage rose theme because I do love like the shabby rose looking ones. And last month, literally I think almost like the week before, actually last week I think it was, she put out, or 2 weeks ago, within the last 2 weeks for sure, she put out a few new kits, and I picked up her pink and yellow, and I think I shared some projects that I created using them. I know I sold one already, and then I have a, oh gosh, it's like an envelope. Anyways, I used her yellow kit with that one, but she reached out and asked if I would guest design for this month, and I absolutely was thrilled about that because I love her design. So I did immediately jump on that. And she also gave me a code to give anybody who wants to purchase, you know, her designs 15% off, and I'll put that in the description box. It's MARSALE 15, and I will put it in the description box, as well as link all the designs that I use for this. Now, what I did was I printed up a few of them, but I already cut them up and I didn't print extra. But I used the Josephine, which you see it here, backgrounds. It comes with a set. I pulled out the paper, rose paper and the camellia paper, and then I also pulled out the vintage pink tag kit, and I'll link them in the description box like I said. So what I did was I took the papers and I cut them, I printed them up, and then I cut them down, and I literally folded it in half, but I left a little extra here so I could have my flap, as you can see. I might do a tutorial on this for the next one, but literally what I did for these pages here is I printed 2 sets to 1 page. So it shrunk them down and it made 4. And then I just cut across and left a little gap intact so that I could fold it and then glue these 2 together. And I did 3 pages from the kit. So cute. And then I pulled bits from the pink vintage tag kit to make, like, you know, this cute little tag. This was longer, but I cut it. Actually, this was part of it, and I cut it down. And then I did some stamping. Now, the stamp set that I did use was this one. And I don't know, I got it at, what is it? Tuesday morning, and it's from my Mind's Eye from 2020, lovely day. And so I just used the stamp set, and I stamped, you know, some of the flowers. I did the butterfly here, and I just thought it'd be cute, like pretty, kind of goes with the roses. And so here I used an eyelet, and I used this burlap string that I absolutely love from Really Reasonable Ribbon. It gets me every time, you guys, and I love it. Anyways, and then you pull out, and this is part of the vintage kit. And I did use some old book papers, but I created like a little pocket here with some stitching, and then I glued just this part down here to make this pocket. I did have this washi tape that was like rose and kind of, you know, greenish that matches this paper, so that's why I included that. And then these were just part of the collection that I cut up and stitched and made little tags and glued down. And I created a little pocket here. Since I had extra pages left, I cut them down and added them. Here I just added these little extra bits. How cute. I did add a little bit of this vintage trim. I created a little tuck spot here and did some fussy cutting. Over here, I just did this tag there, and then I had this tag, and I stamped some faces from, oh gosh, what's her name? I can't even remember. Davenport. I found this also at Tuesday morning, and I picked it up a while ago, and so I just use them every now and then, and so I thought it'd be pretty to add the faces. I didn't say that on the other one that I stamped. And then over here, I just created a little tuck spot. And Beatriz does have like a whole set of like pink bingo cards, which I did pick those up, but this came with the pink vintage tag. And then I just inked and distressed everything with the archival ink in, I think, the walnut stain. Now here for the cover, what I did was I shrunk one of these down, not shrunk one of these down. I printed from this page and it has like, you know, these squares like this. So I cut 2 of them down, made it a little bit smaller, and then I stitched, but I layered some lace and tulle in the same color, which I have here. Ugh. So this is the lace. I bought it at Joann's a while ago, and they sell it, I think, by the yard. But it was like the bigger Joann's near me, and then just tulle in that color. And I just love the way it looks. And in the back, I cut out the butterfly and just added that and left that there. And this is my little project, you guys. I absolutely love it. So I think I'm going to come back with another one as a tutorial to show you guys how I did it. And then I just used an eyelet here. And what I'm doing, actually, I went the wrong way. I'm just going to tie this in a cute little string. Like, I wrap it around a couple times and then just close it. Isn't this so cute? I love it. I just think it's so pretty. I love this paper, you guys. It's so pretty. And you can make cards with it. I think that's what I want to do as one of my other projects, is cards with, like, flowers for Mother's Day, since it's around the corner. Look at that. So cute. Love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll list everything in the description box. If I can find these, I will look on eBay or something and link it if anybody's interested. And don't forget, I do have a code to get 15% off. And I'll link it in the description box. And I'll link the Etsy shop as well. So thank you guys again for watching. Bye.